Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an animated logo on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the animated design section you can find the animated logo button, and here just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change the text on your project, click to the text box and you can edit the font type, and you can edit the size of your text. If you want to add photos to your project, click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search images, or you can upload from gallery. In the object section you can find a different object which you can add to your project, and in the animation section you can find animations which you can add to your project again, and in the music section you can find the different musics. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading, but the music section you can find the different music, and if you want to add one, just click to the plus icon and add one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.